So welcome, beautiful angels. Did you know that you can use ChatOpenAI to do all of your hypnosis scripts for you? Now, like I said in the description, this video is not in the context of whether you should use scripts or not. If you want to go and debate that, then by all means go somewhere else, annoy someone else, put your protest out there or whatever it is that you want to do, but this is not the place for it. So inside of ChatOpenAI, you can actually create hypnosis scripts, as long as they're not erotic, fetish or mind control ones, because there's your fine line when it comes to this industry as well. So all you've got to do is go into the search engine, and you can do it in two different ways. I'll show you the first way, which is like a bulk scenario, and then I'll show you the second way, which is a regenerated scenario. So let's go with the first one. Write me a hypnosis script with a deepening induction at the start that is all about alleviating stress whilst connecting with nature. How's that one? Let's go for that one. And boom. Now what ChatGPT is going to do is it's going to write out an entire hypnosis script for me. What I can do is now is I can copy and paste that into Microsoft Word, give it a read, change it up how it will suit my client and my style, and then boom, here I've got it done, bang. You can use these for inspiration. So, because guess what? There's days where I'm bloody tired when I'm seeing clients as well, and I'm like, oh, okay, yep, I've got to get this done, I've got to get that done, etc., etc. But sometimes you're lacking creativity, and you have to admit, sometimes when you're working as a hypnotherapist, it becomes the samey sort of stuff. So here we have a hypnosis script. Let's give it a bit of a read. Before we begin, it's important to find a comfortable place, blah, 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 blah. Now you continue to breathe deeply and naturally. Let's begin the process of deepening your relaxation. Imagine yourself on the edge of a serene forest, surrounded by tall, majestic trees and the soothing sounds of nature. And that's the entire script right there. How awesome is that? However, we can go one better than this, so let's create a new chat. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a conversation with ChatGPT to get it to write a script that is more specific and keeps regenerating the response. So, write a hypnosis induction that counts down a person to a relaxed state. So all we're doing here is we're getting it to write the induction part where they count down. So as you can see, we'll scroll up to the top, close your eyes and find a comfortable position, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, allowing your body to relax with each breath. And then we're going to the countdown. 10. Feel the tension in your body slowly starting to release. 9. Your breathing becomes even more steady and calm. 8. A wave of relaxation spreads throughout your body, etc., etc., etc. So now we've got our induction, and it's done a double deepener where it's like, okay, we've gone down from 1 to 10. Now we're going to go down again even deeper from 1 to 5. But sure, that's a great relaxation induction. But what about the actual context in the middle? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go continue to relax me whilst telling a metaphoric story about how you can triumph over anything as long as you believe in yourself. Now this is going to add it to that first part of the script. So boom. So now you've done your deepener. You've done your 1 to 10, and then you've done a secondary deepener, 1 to 5. And then from here, you can go, imagine yourself in a beautiful garden, surrounded by vibrant flowers and lush greenery. As you walk through this garden, you notice a delicate seed lying on the ground. This seed represents your dreams, aspirations, and challenges you face in life. You pick up the seed and you hold it gently in your hand. You can feel its potential, the promise of growth and transformation. You realize that it's just like this seed. You too have unlimited potential within you. You have the power to triumph over any obstacle as long as you believe in yourself. And it continues on. Now, let's just say I'm like, you know what, I love that. It is fantastic. I'm going to copy and paste it and modify it specifically for my client, especially when it comes to post-hypnotic suggestions. However, what I can do is I can go, you know what, I love the concept of the seed growing, but I don't like the concept of it being in a garden because I know this client hates the garden. So what I can do is I can go rewrite with the concept of the seed still there, but make it more fantasy and magical, because there's a lot of people that, like myself, that play video games these days, and we resonate more with those fantasy worlds than what we do with actual worlds. So let's get it to regenerate response. So it's going to keep the concept of the seed growing here, but it's going to make it into a more fantasy scene, a more magical scene. Now, if you're getting a delayed response like what's going on here, this is because we're on the free version. The premium version gives priority. So when you're on the free version, you do have to wait a little bit sometimes when it's regenerating responses, because it's taking priority to those that are willing to pay the dollars. So, certainly, I've rewritten a version of itself with a touch of fantasy and magic. Close your eyes and envision a mystical realm. Shimmering within the ethereal beauty, you find yourself in a magical forest where sparkling streams and ancient trees create an enchanting atmosphere. So this is now going to create an entire, it's going to keep the concept of this script up here with the seed, but it's going to regenerate it with fantasy and magic. How cool is that? Now let's just say you want to go, I've got my script, it's fantastic, I'm loving how it's coming out, but now how do I bring out my client when it comes to them being so deep inside of hypnosis? Well, just like before, when you wrote your induction, all you've got to do now is say to it, now can you bring my client out of hypnosis, or can you bring me out of hypnosis and awaken me, give me an awakening process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this regeneration here. Oh, she's getting a bit faster. Oh, wait a second. Maybe we'll just let it run for a few moments, because this sounds like a really good one, this one. As your clearing bathed in golden light, you carefully place the seed in the soft earth. Sparkling drops of dew fall from the canopy above, anointing the seed with blessings of transformation. That's really nice, isn't it? Okay. Oh, she's getting faster. So now that's rewritten that, and all I have to do is copy and paste it. But let's stop the generation, okay? Because what I can do is, if I've stopped it, I can just go, you know what? Continue. What? No, it doesn't want to continue. But whatever we can, if you do get these responses, just type continue again, because chances are there's a lot of people on the server at the moment if you're on the free version. If you're not on the free version, if you're on the paid version, that would come through. Anyway, let's go to the new chat, but what we're going to do is we're going to say to it, hey, can you please get me out of hypnosis, get out of that relaxed state, and bring me back to reality, so we can add all of that script in together. So, write an awakener from hypnosis that future projects that I can achieve anything as long as I believe in myself. And now it's going to give me the awakener. So I've gone from induction to creation, and then I've recreated the creation, and now I'm getting it to bring me out. Open your eyes, revitalize and awake, blah, 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 blah. Now repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I believe in myself. I'm capable of achieving greatness. I'm worthy of success. I feel the architect of my own destiny. Beautiful. As you gradually emerge from a state of deep relaxation, carry with you the unwavering belief that you can achieve anything that you set your mind to. Embrace the challenges that lie ahead, knowing that you possess the strength, resilience, and determination to conquer them. Open your eyes, revitalizing and awakening the limitless possibilities that await you. Remember, as long as you believe in yourself, the power to achieve anything resides within you. You are now ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, growth, and achievement. Embrace the Awakener with you and let it guide you into an extraordinary future that you deserve. And how cool is that? So you can cancel all those subscriptions that you've been paying for ages when it comes to script generators, or I need a script for this, or, blah, blah, blah. Cancel them, get onto ChatGPT, use your own creativity, and then start creating your own scripts that are going to resonate not only your style, because when you copy and paste the content, you will give it a read and you'll change it up. So it's going to resonate with your style. It's still going to get your clients some really great results, and it's going to get also keep you interested inside of your hypnosis business, so things don't become samey, a bit boring, dull. All right, I'll catch you in the future. Bye-bye.